What? Not even the disease season anymore. I'm vlogging again. Through this whole madness of, sorry, I don't know what I want to do with my hair right now. I'm like trying to air it out from my workout because it's sweaty and I just washed it yesterday, but like I sweat a lot today because I haven't worked out in 2 weeks. So it felt good to finally work out this morning, but I've also been feeling really shitty. I went to Trader Joe's this morning, I did some grocery shopping, and I got this no joke ginger shot. I've never actually taken one of these before, so yeah, there's a quarter of a coconut, 3 slices of ginger root, 1 wedge of a lemon, and a sprinkle of cayenne pepper. My bodies have been I have one body. My body has been struggling like regulating my body temperature. I've been feeling super nauseous lately. I don't know, and I feel a little bit better today, but I haven't been feeling my best. I feel like people think these are gross, but I don't know, I think it smells nice. Very gingery, but it's good. Oh, more than anything, I actually don't like spicy food, so the cayenne's like burning my tongue. Okay, so I definitely need to shower. I'm gonna get in now. And then, ooh, I'm really excited actually. I found something at Target, and the Auden line, their bras, they're really cute to be honest, but I don't fit in their sizing correctly. I don't know, maybe the sizes that they had in store weren't the ones that I needed, because you know when you like have to finagle your size a little bit, it's like 34 triple D or 36 double, like kind of like that. So I have to play around with them a little bit. Would you guys be interested in a bra collection video? I know it sounds weird, but it's really hard to find bras when you're small and you have big boobs. So I don't know if you guys would be interested in that. All right, so I'm gonna hop in the shower and then I will talk to you guys in a little bit. So when I was out earlier, the one thing that I needed to get at Target was tampons. Totally didn't get tampons. I'm undecided if I actually like want to go back into Target. I realized I also forgot a gift wrapping storage container, but in my defense, I did look for it. I didn't see it, but I'm going online at the Target website and it's still saying that they are in stock where I was looking. So I don't know. I'm confused.
Walking downtown and I'm okay. He's got it all figured out. It's what they all say, yeah. Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm different. Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm living. But I don't really care what they all say. It's easier said than done. That guy to live through but it all comes down to you. You are my anxiety.
I just got out of Michael's. I'm gonna go to Target for the second time today. Might as well. Girls gotta have tampons. For everyone who's about to give me shit for using tampons, I do have a salt cup, which I love, but I know a lot of women say that it helps with their cramps. For me, I can't use it at certain times, so I have to have tampons on hand. I don't know what it is, but sometimes it just makes my cramps worse, and for me to have worse cramps than I already have is not cool. I have endometriosis. I've talked about it before on my channel, but there are just certain times where I'll like put the cup in and I'm just like, nope, this is not working. You know, I'll try to like readjust it and everything. I just can't use it certain days of the month. So, yeah, that's my little tampon spiel that no one asked for. I'm actually really excited to eat dinner. Like I said, my stomach has been so weird. Like I'm really hungry. That's the odd thing. My nausea's gotten a little bit better, but it's so weird because I'm actually hungry. Like my stomach like wants to eat, and then sometimes I'll like smell the food or I'll take a bite and it's just I'm like over it, but I actually have hunger pains because I am hungry, so it's like a really annoying combination. Good morning, guys. It is now Monday. I think I started this vlog on Saturday, and yesterday I was just like not feeling it, so I just decided to take the day off, which felt nice. But I had work this morning. I have work in a little bit. I just have some downtime at home. My Sunbasket package came. This is not sponsored. I subscribe to Sunbasket, and yeah, so I'm just going to unpack these meals. But yeah, I really like Sunbasket. I've tried HelloFresh and Home Chef before, but I like the meal options better with Sunbasket. I actually like to cook. I don't like grocery shopping, and I don't like meal planning. So this is just really convenient for me. I feel like they also have healthier options than the other meal kits. So they have vegan, they have like a carb conscious if you're watching your carb intake. They have Mediterranean, like lean and clean meals. They have speedy meals. Oh, also, side note, the tank tops that I told you about earlier in this vlog, this is it. I love a good high neck. I just think these tanks are super cute. I got it in like 4 colors. Just a nice tank top, and I think they're like $8. Okay, so moving on to more important topics. I was brainstorming like my calendar for Instagram, and I've never really done that before, but I want to try to be more consistent on, you know, all of my social platforms. Kind of, I don't know, and let me know what you guys think. Would you be interested in not like a theme per se, but more of a, I guess, just slightly more structure to my Instagram? So like on Tuesday, I'll do like Tip Tuesday, and I'll do either like a beauty tip or like a hair tip. Wash Day Wednesday, I'll show you like a routine or like highlight products that I've been liking. And then obviously like more organic content can be peppered in here and there. I was watching the Kelly Clarkson show. Oh, let me just toast my bagel. I was watching the Kelly Clarkson show, and I don't think I follow Kristen Bell on Instagram, but she was on the show, and she talked about how she did something called Feature Teacher Friday. And we'll post like teachers' Amazon wish lists and stuff. I wanted to do something similar to that on my Instagram once a week. Necessarily doesn't have to be a teacher wish list, any sort of cause that you think should have more awareness, any communities that are struggling, that are in need. I think it would be really cool to highlight that on my Instagram. I know I don't have like the largest audience on Instagram, but it's, I mean, 25,000 or 24,000 or whatever it is, that's still a lot of people. I was thinking by posting these things, we could bring awareness. If people are in a position where they can help, that's amazing. If all people can do is repost and just bring more awareness to it, that's fantastic too. Listen, I love all the hair and beauty stuff. It's so fun. And I love getting the messages from you guys saying that, you know, I've helped you embrace your curly hair. I think that's amazing. And I do, but I wanted to maybe dig a little bit deeper this year. I'm trying to think of how I'd want to set this up. So it would I'd either create like a separate email account or even just straight through Instagram, and people could submit like causes. But yeah, I mean, let me know what you guys think. What would be the best way about going about this? Or oh, hey, long time no talk. All right, so I actually started this vlog early in January, and holy shit, the whole month is like gone. I don't know what happened to January. The whole month is just gone. Because my plan was, I was like, oh, I need a few days to take off after Vlogmas, and then here we are, it's weeks later. Clearly, I still have some Christmas decorations up. My tree is still up. I haven't done anything these past 2 weeks. Just went and got my nails done this morning, so I'm feeling good. I went to the store, got some stuff. Today is my day off. But yeah, as I was saying, I want to show you guys what I got in PR. Shush, shush, shush. And then I also want to show you guys some other things that I picked up as far as hair goes. Yeah, I felt like I needed to break the ice, get back into filming. So here I am. going to edit the other part of my vlog now. That was another thing. I was just so sick of looking at myself. You want to go back in the sun? All right, guys, so I want to share with you all of the hair products that I have been collecting. I don't even think this is all of them, but this is just within like the past week. I'll probably end up doing reviews of these on my channel at some point. I did receive a PR package probably before, like right before the holidays. This is the Heritage by Mindy McKnight, so Cute Girls Hairstyles. She sent over some stuff from her new line. It is available at Walmart. It is very affordable and the ingredients seem to be really good. So I have the Gentle Daily Shampoo, the Deep Moisture and Restore Conditioner, and then also a mask that was sent over. So I've tried the shampoo and conditioner. I haven't tried the mask yet, but I really, really loved these two products. So that prompted me to then go ahead and go to Walmart and buy a bunch of other stuff. I ended up picking up the ACV hair rinse, which I'm really excited about. So I know everyone raves about doing these apple cider vinegar rinses, but to be honest, I never do them because they're just too much work. I'm lazy. I like everything done for me already, so this is nice. And then I also picked up a leave-in conditioner pudding. This is just supposed to be like a pre-styler primer type product. I will test that out too. I also love the colors of the line. Like, I don't know, I just think it's really pretty. And the packaging feels nice. I like it. The little detail on the cap, I think that's super cute. Okay, anyway, so I got the leave-in conditioner pudding and the curl cream, which I'm very, very excited to try. So the curl cream is silicone free, but the mask and the deep conditioner are not. So just keep that in mind if you are strictly silicone free. Or strictly following the curly girl method, I should say. And then I got this Maximum Hold styling gel. So I've been wearing my hair a lot like this lately, especially because I feel like my hair is now at the length where it's just very awkward. You know what I'm talking about. You get to that length where you either have to decide if you're going to cut your hair again or if you want to let it grow out. And I think I want to let my hair grow out. I've been looking at old pictures and it was just so long and luscious. I feel like I've just been wearing my hair like this until we get back to a length that looks good. So yeah, I wanted a gel that I could just kind of like slick everything back with, and also, you know, I like gel for styling my curls, so wanted to give this a shot. So that's everything I got from Heritage. I will leave all the links for everything down below if you guys want to try this out too. I think I found these in Target, but I also saw them when I was in Walmart too. So Tresemme came out with this Pro Pure line. It's at like a cleaner version, and I think Pantene also came out with a line that is silicone and sulfate free for curls. And I was going to buy that, but I have so much stuff to work through, so I will get to that too if you guys want to see that. So the shampoo has 0% sulfates, parabens, or dyes, and then conditioner has 0% silicones, parabens, or dyes. So these are really affordable. I want to say like under $5 a piece. And then I also saw part of, oh wait, no, this is, oh no, it is part of the Pro Pure line. Okay. I was like, wait a minute. I mean, not that this was expensive or anything, but just so you know, you're only getting this much product. Like, we don't need this extra down here. Stop trying to make it look bigger. But anyway, this, has 0% alcohol, parabens, or dyes, and this is a volume invisible styler. So it's supposed to create and hold for long-lasting volume and body. So I'm gonna give this a shot too eventually. And then something else that I got a PR package from Design Essentials, and I've seen this in Ulta, so I was happy when they reached out. So here I have some products from the Almond and Avocado line. I have a sulfate-free shampoo, the conditioner, a leave-in conditioner, and then a mousse. I'm also very excited to try these out. Oh God, okay. So I have to start washing my hair now more frequently so I can use all this stuff. Let me know if you are like particularly interested in one of these products and like you must have a review on it. Okay guys, I think that's where I'm going to cut off this vlog that spanned like 4 weeks. And it's just time to move on. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm really excited to be back at like and come back at a normal pace. Yeah, you know what my thing is? I struggle when I get out of a routine. When I'm in a routine, I don't have any balance. So it's like either all or nothing for me, and I have to learn to have a little bit of flexibility. I don't know, it's a weird, hard balance to strike, and so I'm still trying. It gives me anxiety and then it just like spirals. I talked about this in my video before, but so I'm doing this. I'm gonna upload this video. Okay, I'm gonna go now. I hope you guys have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram if you're not already, and goodbye.